Hey, Brian from Alltest, and as you know, we are world-renowned for our refurbished test and measurement equipment. But what you might not know, or what you might not have utilized yet, is our repair services. So what you're seeing here is a Keysight PNA, the N5224A, and this comes from a long-term partner account. And what they do is anything that fails calibration in any of their multiple labs throughout the world, they send it over to Alltest. We provide them a low-cost evaluation, and then we perform the actual evaluation to solve the problem. And we root out the problem. We have the schematics, we have all the test manuals and test procedures, and then we quote them a fair price for repair and calibration when it's finished. So if you have any legacy equipment, that could be current generation, past generation, or 30 years old, please send us an email, send us a text, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you with your service evaluation of your Keysight, Fluke, Electronics, Roden, Schwartz, or Keithley equipment.